Hey, this is Nate from Web 801. Welcome to the bonus. Today's bonus is about adding a PDF document to your website or uploading it. Many of my clients use a PDF document as a way to generate leads or capture names and emails for a mailing list. Let's get started. So the first step in adding a PDF to your website is you'll be at the dashboard and you'll go to Media. You'll click on Media and then you'll click Add New. You'll then see this section, Select Files. I can click on this. My screen will open and then I'll select the PDF that I want and it will upload right here. And then you'll see, if I move my screen over a little bit, you'll see it has the document there and then I can click Edit. Now this is the paperwork for this particular client, but you'll see over here on the right the file URL. So I can copy the URL and then I'll just click Update. Now in this particular case I'm going to take this URL that we just copied and I'm going to go to the page where we want people to be able to download it. In this case it's called Thank You Paperwork. I'll click Edit and as you can see, there's tabs. We're using a specific page function or custom fields. And in this case, this content shows up right here. There's the download our paperwork. This is actually a link, that image. So I'm going to click on this Insert Edit Link. You'll see there that there's a URL already there. I'm just going to right click on that and then click Paste. And that's going to show a new document. And then I'm going to click on that, I'm going to click the arrow to apply it, and then click Update. Now when I go to this page, I'm going to open up a new window, and I click on Download Our Paperwork. It's going to open up in a new tab, and it's going to open the newest version of the paperwork, or in this case the PDF document. And that's one way that you can add a PDF to your site. In this case it's more for convenience for the client. But in some cases, we can add a PDF to generate leads and promote building our email list.